You saw a picture of a bag online and you want to sew it, but there is no measurement. Let me show you a smart trick. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll learn how to find bag measurements using Google Lens. So I'll be using this shopping bag image as an example. So you pick any image of your choice. Then you're going to click on the three dots and click Google Lens. You wait for the picture to load. When it's finished loading, inside the box, you are going to type measurements in inches. You type what you want Google Lens to search for you. So I wanted to search measurement of this bag in inches. Now it has loaded and we'll now start scrolling to look at bags that is similar in shape and size to the one we uploaded. So you start scrolling, you scroll. So you can see this bag here, right here. Although they used a transparent under, but it looks almost like the same with what we have. Now if you click on it, it's going to display the measurement. So this bag is 10 inches for the height, 5 inches for the gusset, and 12 inches for the width. Now this is the final this is the measurement for the after the bag has been finished. So you need to add your own sewing allowance to it whenever you want to cut. So you can go back to still look for more images if you still want to see more. This is another one. This is 16 inches by 12 inches. You can scroll again, look at the image of this image you are seeing here. This image, if you click on it, you can see that it looks exactly like what we posted, and you can see the measurements written all over it. So one thing you just have to do is to make sure that once you have gotten the measurement, you add your own sewing allowance to it, because the measurement you are seeing here is after the bag has been sewn. That is for the final look. So you just add your own sewing allowance to it and you are good to go. So I'm going to be using this bag as another example. Click on the three dots, click on Google Lens. You type in what you want to search. That is measurement in inches. Now there's something I want to show you in this aspect. Just pay attention. Now after typing measurement in inches, you load. Then you start scrolling to see which bag has the same size and the same shape with what we uploaded. So you scroll, you scroll. I haven't seen anyone that looks like it, so I'll just keep scrolling. I'll keep scrolling until I can find the one that has the same shape and the same size as the bag. So since I can't find it, I'll go back to where I wrote measurements in inches. I'll change it to measurements of this bag. This will give me more options. So when it loads, I'm going to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Here I'm just going to be looking for a picture that matches the one I uploaded. So I'll continue scrolling until I find a picture that looks like the one I uploaded. So we continue to scroll, you scroll. Now we have this one. I'm going to click on it. When you click on it, it's going to display the image of the bag. You can see, but it's not showing any measurement. So what you have to do is to click on visit. When you click on visit, it is going to take you to the website where this bag is uploaded. You can see the picture. What we need here is just the measurement of the size of the bag, so that we can use that to know the measurement of the bag that we uploaded. So you are going to scroll down and look for product details. So you click on about this product. That is where we have our product details. So if you look at it, you see where the size is written. You have color, material, and size. So you have the length, you have the width, and you have the height. The length is 34 centimeter, the width is 15 centimeter, the height is 27 centimeter. So all you just need to do is to convert them to inches, and when you convert them to inches, you add your own sewing allowance to it. Maybe one inch or half inch, you add it to it. So another pictorial example, click on three dot, click on Google Lens, then you wait to load. Inside the box, you're going to type measurements of this bag. You type measurement of this bag and let it to load. So you can see the different images of the bag that is being displayed. You can see as you scroll down, you can see the different pictures. So all you need to do is to pick one of the images. Just pick one of the images so that you can see full details of the measurement and everything. So we'll click on the LV, and then we're going to click on visit to go to the website. So when we click on visit, we wait for it to load. You can see it has loaded and it's now showing the image of the bag. I'm going to scroll down to see more information about the bag. So when you scroll down, I'm going to click on see more. So under see more, you can see where the measurement is written in centimeter. The length is 23.5 centimeter, height is 17.5 centimeter, width is 11.5 centimeter. So all you need to do is to just convert it to inches and you add your sewing allowance to it, and you have the size of your bag without going through too much stress. All you have to do is just make use of your Google Lens. So that is all for this video. If you find this post helpful, kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.